Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Video I am going to share latest job openings in Tiruchirappalli location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are many openings available from Mahatma Eye Hospital Private Limited. So they have many openings. Let us discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for claims officer position. So it is for Tiruchirappalli location, and the salary will be 15,000 rupees per month. And coming to job description, pre-authentication of all insurance companies and pre-authentication registers should be maintained. Monitor payment advice on everyday basis and pending payment status on everyday basis, and informing to the accounts department about the receipt of claim amount with patient wise, and maintenance of files regarding office copy of bills of operated patients, and maintenance of registers, renewal documents with its communication. And you must be having good and excellent computer knowledge in MS Word, Excel, and internet browsing and English typing, and also good in spoken English fluently and drafting letters individually in English. So this is about the job description. You please go through it once, and in order to apply for this position, and if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, and I have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for housekeeping assistant position from Mahatma Eye Hospital Private Limited. So it is for Tiruchirappalli location, and they are going to offer a salary will be 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month for this position. Next, coming to job description, dusting and polishing furniture and fixtures, and cleaning and sanitizing toilets, showers or bathtubs, countertops and sinks, and maintaining a clean and sanitary kitchen area, making beds and changing linens, washing windows, vacuuming and cleaning carpets and rugs, sweeping or vacuuming, polishing and mopping hard floors, and sorting, washing, loading and unloading laundry. So likewise, there are many responsibilities. You can go through it once, and if you want to apply for this position, or if you want to know more detailed information, I have provided the link in the description, so you can go there and check for the link in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for accounts officer position from the same Mahatma Eye Hospital Private Limited. So they are going to offer a salary will be 15,000 rupees per month. So coming to job description, so they are looking for an experienced account officer to keep up to date account records and oversee smooth transactions with clients. And the successful candidate will have a great communication skills and a strong quantitative background, and along with the proven track record of successfully handling accounts. And the candidate should be a team player, enjoy working with a variety of clients, and have knowledge of basic accounting functions, and uh, they also value those who are ready to learn and adapt with a fast paced work environment. So these are the work details, so you please go through it once, and for more detailed information in order to apply for this account officer position, so I have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for operation theater cleaning. So they are going to offer a salary will be 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month, so it is for male candidates. You can also check here with the job description provided here, and also responsibilities, you please check here. And in order to apply for this operation theater position, you can refer in the description, so I have provided the link in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description once. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.